Good morning, students. I am Pramod Joy, your computer science teacher, and we are discussing unit number 1, Computer Systems and Organizations. In that Computer Systems and Organization, we completed a chapter that is Computer System Overview that we completed, and 3 videos related with that we discussed. And this is the 4th video, and this is related with another chapter called Boolean Logic. And there are 2 videos related with this particular chapter called Boolean Logic, video number 4 and video number 5. So, shall we start? It starts with the definition of the truth table, explaining what do you mean by a truth table. A truth table is a table which represents all the possible values of logical variables or statements along with all the possible results of the given combination of values. That means a truth table is a table which contains all the possible values of the variables as well as all the possible results. Logical operators. There are 3 main logical operators: a not operator, or operator, and operator. Not operator. This operator operates on single variable, and operation performed by not operator is called complementation, and the symbol is x bar, means the complement of x. Truth table of not operator is given below. In the truth table you can see the value of x. The maximum possible values for x are 0 and 1. When the value of x is 0, the output, that means x bar, the complement of x, that is 1. When the input is 1, that means when the value of x is 1, the output, that means x bar, that means the complement of x is 0. Or operator. Operation performed by or operator is called logical addition, and the symbol used for it is plus. The truth table of the or operator is given below. And you can see that for or operator we need minimum 2 inputs, here x and y. And the maximum possible inputs of x and y are given in the table. 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1. Exactly in that order. And see the output. Output is x plus y. So when it is 0 and 0, the output will be 0. And when it is 0, 0 and 1, it will be 1. And it goes on like that. And operator. The operation performed by AND operator is called logical multiplication, and the symbol is dot. Truth table for AND operator is given below. X and Y, the maximum inputs of X and Y, exactly in the case of that OR operator, 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1. And the output you can see, output is X dot Y, that means X into Y. When it is 0 and 0, the output will be 0. When it is 0 and 1, it will be 0. When it is 1 and 0, then also it will be 0. And when it is 1 and 1, the output will be 1. Tautology. If the result of any logical statement or expression is always true or 1, it is called tautology. Fallacy. If the result of any logical statement or expression is always false or 0, it is called fallacy. Basic logic gates. A gate is a basic electronic circuit which operates on one or more signals to produce an output signal. And there are 3 types of logic gates: inverter, otherwise called NOT gate, OR gate, and AND gate. Inverter or NOT gate. An inverter or NOT gate is a gate with only one input signal and one output signal. The output state is always the opposite state. Truth table and the symbol of NOT gate are as follows. The symbol you can see after 3 slides. Now for the time being only the truth table. OR gate. The OR gate has 2 or more input signals but only one output signal. If any of the input signal is 1, that means high, the output signal is 1. Following tables show the OR action for 2 variables and 3 variables. Here you can see x and y, and the other truth table contains x, y and z. X and Y contains only maximum 4 values each, and X, Y, Z contains 8 values each. And you can see the output. AND gate. The AND gate can have 2 or more than 2 input signals and produce an output signal. When all the inputs are 1, that is high, then the output is 1. When all the inputs are 1, then the output is 1. Otherwise, output is 0 only. Please check the truth table of 2 variables as well as the 3 variables. In this slide, all the 3 gates are explained. The symbol, how to draw that. The first one is NOT gate. One input is 0 and the output is 1. The next one is OR gate. 0 and 1 as input and the output is 1. And the third one is AND gate. Again 0 and 1 as input and 0 is the output. Basic postulates of Boolean algebra. If x is not equal to 0, then x is equal to 1. And x is not equal to 1, then x is 0. Logical addition or relation. 0 plus 0 is equal to 0. 0 plus 1 is equal to 1. 1 plus 0 is equal to 1. 1 plus 1 is equal to 1. Logical multiplication and relation. 0 into 0 is equal to 0. 0 into 1 is equal to 0. 1 into 0 is equal to 0 and 1 into 1 is equal to 1. Complement rules. 0 complement, that is equal to 1. 1 complement, that is equal to 0. Principle of duality. Principle of duality states that starting with a Boolean relation, another Boolean relation can be derived by 3 rules are changing each OR sign or plus sign to an AND sign, that means to an dot sign, changing each AND sign to an OR sign, replacing each 0 by 1 and each 1 by 0. And an example is given below. 0 plus 0 is equal to 1. Now apply the principle of duality on that. 0 plus 0 is equal to 0. Instead of 0 it will be 1. Instead of plus it should be dot. Instead of 0 it should be again 1 equal to. Instead of 0 it will be 1.